How South America saves money, real habits from Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. Saving money during economic uncertainty. In South America, people don't just save, they survive inflation, rising costs, and unstable currencies with smart, community-driven strategies. From digital wallets in Brazil to dollar-saving hacks in Argentina and powerful group savings in Colombia. These are real-world methods you can learn from, no matter where you live. Welcome to the channel where we explore how people around the world manage their money with real stories, real tools, and habits you can actually use. Today, we're heading to South America, spotlighting Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. These countries face some of the toughest financial challenges on Earth, yet they've found incredible ways to save and grow money. Make sure to stick around for the final tip. It's a game changer. 1. Brazil, smart saving in an inflation economy. Meet Lucas, a freelance designer living in São Paulo. Growing up, his family faced double-digit inflation. The lesson: don't leave money idle. Brazil's saving habits, high-yield digital accounts. Lucas uses Nubank, one of Brazil's most popular digital banks. His salary is deposited and instantly transferred into a high-yield account to stay ahead of inflation. Prepaying expenses. Instead of holding cash, many Brazilians prepay rent, tuition, or bulk buy essentials when prices are low, locking in value before inflation rises. Group saving plans, consorcios. Lucas also joins consorcios, savings pools where members take turns receiving large sums for big purchases like appliances, cars, or home renovations. In Brazil, saving is proactive. It's not about what you keep, it's about what you protect. 2. Argentina, preserving value in an unstable currency. Meet Camila, a teacher in Buenos Aires. With the peso constantly losing value, she saves, but not in pesos. Argentina's saving strategies, saving in US dollars. Camilla converts a portion of her income into dollars the moment she gets paid, often using digital wallets or trusted currency services. Using the blue market rate, many Argentinians access better exchange rates through the dollar blue system, helping them stretch their money further. Investing in real goods. Argentinians often put savings into items that retain value, electronics, tools, even bricks, because those hold up better than currency. Here, saving isn't just putting money aside, it's finding ways to keep that value from disappearing. Segment 3. Colombia, community-driven saving. Meet Andres, a cafe owner in Medellin. His success started with Natileras, traditional Colombian savings circles. Colombia's saving tools, Natileras, community savings groups. Friends or neighbors contribute a set amount monthly. Each month, one member receives the lump sum. It's rotating, reliable, and keeps everyone disciplined. Digital banks, Nequi and DaviPlata. Andres now uses Nequi for daily budgeting, goal tracking, and small, frequent saving. It's designed for people who don't always trust big banks. Investing in education and micro-businesses. Many Colombians prioritize saving for skills, side hustles, or certifications over consumer goods, building income, not just protecting it. Colombians don't just save to spend, they save to create freedom, business, and a better life. Final insight: the South American mindset. What do all these countries have in common? They don't rely on government safety nets. They take action quickly, converting, prepaying, pooling money. They save in community, not isolation. And above all, they adapt constantly. The real takeaway? Saving money isn't just about numbers. It's about strategy, community, and making your money smarter than the economy around you. Which country's strategy surprised you the most? Are you going to automate like Brazil, dollar shield like Argentina, or save with friends like Colombia? Tell me in the comments and share your country's top saving hack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because next we're heading to Asia to see how India, Japan, and the Philippines are building wealth in totally different ways.